Lane splitting in New Hampshire is illegal, period. Unlike California and other states where it is legal, riding between lanes of traffic in New Hampshire can get you cited for reckless driving or failure to maintain lanes. If you were lane splitting when an accident occurred, it can significantly complicate your claim. The insurance company will argue breaking the law and therefore at fault. However, if another driver made an illegal move that caused the crash, we can still pursue a claim. Your violation doesn't give others a free pass to hit you.